In a depth appeal between Umar Farukh and Sani Sha'aban, the court ruled that the appellant counsel Usman Gambo must pay the fine to respondent lawyer Abdullahi Yahya for delays and inconvenience caused during the appeal proceeding. Justice Bilkis Muhammad and Justice D. Dakar made the pronouncement after finding several errors in the record of proceeding submitted by the appellant's legal team. The judge observed that the translated record from Hausa to English presenting the previous Upper Sharia Court judgment, which on February 12, 2024, ordered Sha'aban to pay a debt balance of $709,238 and 11,200,000 naira, contained inaccuracies and was not certified by the originating court. Respondent counsel Abdullahi Yahya described the act as a breach of court procedure and a possible attempt to frustrate the appeal process. He requested compensation, which the court granted. It will be recalled that the case was earlier transferred from Zaria to Kafanchan due to a backlog of cases and failure to serve notice of appeal on the respondent. However, on March 10, 2025, the case was returned to Zaria after jurisdiction was reviewed. After the session, Yahya reiterated his concern over the delays caused by the appellant counsel and the strain it has had on the process.
They just delay. They are the ones who appeal. But they are the ones who don't want their appeal hard. This is the third time this appeal is being adjourned for here. It's frustrating because my colleague knows what to do. He's a lawyer. He's 12. He's older than my youth. Even my junior knows what to do. But he's intentionally not doing, that's my view, personally, that he's not doing what he needs to do so that the appeal can be heard. And then whoever is dissatisfied can move on. But we are here now, we are stuck. So it's kind of frustrating. Now they have adjourned it to the next appeal session, which is in July. So it's painful to me because my clients have their monies tied up.
On his part, counsel to the appellant Usman Gambo responded to the court's decision, acknowledging the directive and promising to address the identified errors.
Quite all right, we know about it, but the translation carried some errors, and we made another translation, and the lower court refused to certify it. So we are faced with a dilemma. First, to accept his own application and go with the wrong translation, or go on with our own and then face the fatality of it not being certified by the registrar.
Justice Bilkis Muhammad questioned the appellant lawyer to stop playing with the cards and to carefully revisit and correct the document before the next hearing. The case between Umar Farukh Abdullahi and Sani Sha'aban is scheduled to resume at Zaria Appeal Session in July 2025.